Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2458. Today's date is the 20 January 2022. वाजले आता रात्रीचे almost like पावणे 10. So, what is exactly happened today? So today I wake up at 7 a.m. and started working almost like that 8:30 a.m. Yeah. Soon as I start working, I mostly focus on the short division, short list. Because of that, I didn't really. I just wanted to make this project as professional as I can. Okay, and that's why I was writing the script and making the short divisions. Because of that, like right now, I can feel that when you created the short division, na, so you have so many possibility like in the editing, like most of the time while I was editing na, I need to figure it out का कौन सा clip इस्तेमाल करूँ कौन सा नहीं. But when you did the short designing and after that you started doing editing ना, तो you have so many footages to work with it. और हर एक footages एक perspective होता है, एक story represent करता है, and it is really good. That's why most of the films follow the short divisions, and I have to do that. Because of that, let me tell you one thing. Today I just start my editing. Okay, I created my intro sequence. I not completed, but I created. Okay, almost like that. 20 seconds I created. It looks so good. Trust me. The way, because of that, I took those shots. Those shots are actually representing me and what is the thing happened with me, why I'm so obsessed with this social media thing. It all those things represent in first 20 seconds. That's it. I don't need to put any text animation. I don't need to say anything like that. Yeah. And as also another thing is that ki, my perspective is that I don't want to show, I don't want to talk in front of camera. Like most of the time I have to put the text animation because text animation looks so good. I speak in front of camera when it is really essential. Like I have to tell my perspective about then, and mostly focus on the b-roll shots because b-roll shots are actually telling the story. Okay, because it story represent through the action, not through the words. So yeah, and that is all those things happen because of the short division. Yeah, I know. It just like past 2 days, like a day before, like yesterday and today, I was constantly taking shots. Okay, and I haven't really completed yet. Okay, like I have so many shots are remaining. Okay, but still, it just like that. It gives me um, so many footages to work with it, and it is really good. Yeah, I can see the increasing the quality of my production, and that is really good. Like before edit I was so depressed. Like I was thinking that कि मेरे life में कुछ भी नहीं है, nothing. As also like the way that I wanted to me कि मेरे life में कुछ इस तरह से बनेगा वगैरह वगैरह. I was constantly thinking about really bad thing, but when I started editing I just feel like that कि dude yeah, है quality, है quality feel भी हो रही है. Like when I'm watching that thing, it is okay. So my main perspective is that do not practically speak in front of the camera. When it is very much necessary, then you have to tell, then you have to speak in front of camera. Otherwise try to do with the text animation because text animation looks so good, great, and it gives engaging. Because last time I watched that god video, first 20 second is literally great, but when I try to disclaimer about this thing, I just didn't really want it to, and I just closed that video. if I am not really able to watch my videos, how should I expect कि someone will watch my video till in the end? That is the most important part of it. So try to do some sort of text animation, because in the end that is kind of like a bit really engaging. Like, you are thinking na ki this channel is making the quality of the video. Like, if you are thinking like you are putting twice in a month, that means like 15 days for one video. So that means you have to put so much quality inside that video. Okay, not only the editing but so many things, the production and the everything. Okay, yeah. And I feel really good. I feel that key, yes, it is kind of like really great. So let's start from today. What is exactly happened? So today I wake up. Okay, I started working almost like 8:30 and completed my short division till 10:30 p.m. Okay, 10:30. Yeah. And then after that, I edited my game videos yesterday, and yesterday no, sorry. Uh, I completed my short division, and then I tried to take some sort of shots. Okay, like what is the thing I needed, like a social media, uninstall. I just took so many shots, which is really great. Sometimes there is a problem with the camera too. Okay, first of all, I'm using the Canon 2000D. Okay, which is a really entry level camera, which is meant for the photography camera. It is not meant for the videography camera. Okay, as also it comes with the kit lens, and which is even worse. Okay, it has almost like a 3.5 aperture, and it is really not the camera I have. That camera is like, what is the best thing about this camera is really good with the photos. It's really not good with the video. Okay, like basically if I increase my ISO from 400 to 800, I just quickly get so much noise even in a day, or even, yeah. So I just think that ki 400 ki do not go more than 400. Okay, or ISO or aperture to 3 and aperture goes 3.5, maximum 5.6. 3.5 से नीचे तो जा ही नहीं रहा है. ओके, एंड देन शटर. सो ऑब्वियसली फ्रेम रेट 30 है तो शटर तो 60 रहेगा ही. सो आई एम स्टक विद दैट. तो सो वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है मेरे पास. आई हैव टू इंक्रीज द लाइट. ओके, यानी कहीं से लाइट आ रहा है तो दैट इज़ ऑल दोज थिंग्स. ओके, बट द कैमरा इज़ नॉट रियली गुड यार. ओके, I just feel that key, but dude, yaar, I don't have money to buy any much cameras right now. Okay, but dude, it's just like I am not asking to buy another camera. Just buy a lens, na, like 50 mm prime lens, which is really good, like a 1.8 aperture, which is really great. Now you got so much information on your sensors. It's really great. Yeah, but I still don't have that money to buy that lens. It is almost, it cost me almost like a 18,000 rupees, like 15 to 18,000 rupees most of the time. And still it's not really good. I just recently buy a light. Okay, a light, and then light, mouse, then there is holder. Okay, like mobile holder, and there is a tripod, a small tripod that I can hold like a vlogging things. Okay. That whole thing cost me almost like that 5,000 rupees, and which is really essential because I have one light, and if I'm try to, and there is a 3-point lighting setup. Like if you have 3 camera, then you can create a really good quality of image. But practically I don't have that 3 camera, sorry, 3 I don't have 3-point system. I don't have 3 lights to create 3-point light system. So I am using just a one light. Just put it on the side, so it create depth, because shadow create depth. Like you cannot put light just directly in front of the camera, because it doesn't give you any much depth. You just see everything on your face, and which is really not so good. But my like my lighting setup is actually like that कि I don't want to show my face as clear as I don't want that. I want my light is kind of like a really some sort of right side top 45 angle, and then there is another light which is kind of like a fill light. And वो fill light कहाँ से produce होगा? If you have diffusion then it's really good. But let me tell you one thing कि I am the only one person who is shooting, and I am the only one person who is doing all those things. Okay, और acting भी मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. So obviously it is even much more difficult to work with all those things because of that कि बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दो दो कैमरे हैं, लाइट्स है, मोबाइल है. ओके, फिर इट जस्ट लाइक व्हेन यू आर शूटिंग ना, तो वहाँ पे कौन कौन सी चीज़ें लाइक वाइल शूटिंग यू जस्ट हैव टू चेक कि फ्रेम में बराबर है कि नहीं, क्योंकि फ्रेम तो मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है क्योंकि कैमरा तो अपसाइड डाउन है. ओके, एंड फिर लाइटिंग बराबर है कि नहीं, कॉम्पोजिशन बराबर है कि नहीं, आईएसओ तो नहीं आ रहा है क्या, फोकस में तो है तो नहीं, लाइट बराबर आ रहा है कि नहीं. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट आई हैव टू फोकस ऑन माई स्क्रिप्ट टू, कि मैं अभी स्क्रिप्ट पे मुझे ध्यान देना है, तो मुझे वो इमोशंस भी प्रैक्टिकली निकलना भी चाहिए. अगर सब कुछ ठीक भी रहा तो मुझे वो इमोशंस निकलना, अगर वो इमोशंस ही नहीं निकलेंगे तो ऑल दोज थिंग्स इट डजंट मैटर. सो बहुत लाइक सो मेनी थिंग्स. ओके, लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है कि इन सारे लोगों, इन सारी चीज़ों को हैंडल करने के लिए स्पेसिफिक लोग होते हैं, लाइक कैमरा गाय, ऑडियो गाय, लाइटिंग गाय, and then the actor he can sit and he just focus on his craft, and that's it. Okay, then the whole quality of product is created. But actually you don't have that money to hire people. You don't have even money to hire some sort of equipment, dude. So do you realize na at the beginning ये beginning में ऐसा ही होता ही है, and there is nothing that there is nothing you cannot do anything. Okay, you just have to be, yeah. Dude, let me tell you one thing कि like social media detox challenge, I am actually making this project, but actually I am applying on my life too. Let me tell you, yes, I am applying all those things in my life. And today is almost like I started this detox almost like a 3 days. Okay, it is come 3 or 4 days. Okay, I didn't really use any Instagram. Okay, Instagram is not really affecting me, but YouTube is really affecting me. Yes, like I am consuming YouTube so much, but still right now I'm not using I'm not using YouTube that much. I don't know, it just like I didn't really need it. Yeah, it detox challenge is good. Yeah, great. As well as like basically I don't really feel that, because this is the kind of thing like मैं इतना ज़्यादा यानी किसी भी चीज़ के लिए इतना ज़्यादा अग्रेसिव एडिक्टिव था ही नहीं. लाइक नॉट अ सोशल मीडिया, not a YouTube. Yeah, I just watched some of the YouTube videos when I was free or when I was something, but while I was doing some sort of work, I was focused on the work too. Yeah, but there is also one thing is happen is that ki the time is actually very much I save because of that. Ki when I try to do some sort of things like when I started doing some work, I always watch some of the Instagram and things like that and YouTube and check, and then there is a video, and then I will distract very much easily, and that work is kind of like a very much difficult to complete that work. So that is a really good advantage happened. Okay, like this is the first advantage that I can feel that. Then rest of the thing is really nothing. Okay, because of that key. So my main thing is that key. You are not using Instagram, so okay. YouTube, well, till now, like I'm just thinking that ki, till the end of this project I will be not using any social media or not any apps. Okay, that detox challenge I will be continue, okay, till the end of this project. When it complete, then after that I will install that, and but try not to use, like basically I'm thinking कि स्टिल यार पीसी में इस्तेमाल करूँ या मोबाइल में इस्तेमाल करूँ, सेम ही थिंग है ना. लाइक आई एम यूजिंग PC laptop every time. Okay, whenever I want I can turn it on and just like I can watch that. Even every time my laptop is always on. Right now it's on too. So whatever, it is good, great, fine, all right. So what you will do after this artifact episode? So my main thing is that ki intro sequence has to be done. So I will focus on this intro sequence, okay. Then after that, tomorrow I will be focus on the things that I didn't really shoot. Like most of the thing is that ki the like I'm actually explaining things, okay, about the everyday what I experience, and I have to shoot at very different location. First of all, there is a morning thing, and I am thinking that ki I have to shoot maybe here or maybe on that door, but just I'm actually so much kind of like that ki this terrace is really good, okay, like basically there is no one will see me and I feel really good, but still that कि थोड़ा सा डर लगता है कि when someone will watch me. So but yeah, शूट तो करेगा इस मॉर्निंग में, ओके. यानी कल जो भी एक्सप्लेनिंग वाले यानी Day 1 Day 2 Day 3 यानी हर दिन का एक एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने कुछ ऐड किया है स्क्रिप्ट में, तो वो तो ख़त्म करना ही है. एंड आई विल बी नॉट शूट एट द इंटरव्यू स्टाइल, नो, I will be shoot with very different location, because it gives you some sort of kind of like that key changes happen in the frame. Yeah. So all right. So this is it. This is the my artifact episode number 2459. Sorry, 58. Right now we are at Vodha, Maharashtra. Thank you.